It is with great honor that we introduce a true legend in the martial arts community, Grandmaster Larry Pedroche, PhD and Masters, a 10th degree red belt and a two-time international champion in the heavyweight division in 1996. Grandmaster Pedroche exemplifies dedication, excellence, and the spirit of martial arts. He is also the president and CEO of Jet Squad Security Training School Corporation. Magandang gabi po, Sir Larry.
Okay, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat, MC. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Bern Soriano. Kasama namin yan with Brandon Vera. One championship champion, silang dalawa po. And at this point of time, today, nandito po kami with our core group to witness this very challenging event na gagawin dito. Tayo ng mga Pilipino, especially I think this is this fight night. Nakita ko sa tarpaulin. Palakpakan natin mga fighters natin. Okay? And with respect, may konting mensahe ako dito kasi kami ay nagmo-motivate na lang ng mga players niyo po. Ang mga sumusunod na henerasyon, mga fighters natin sa Pilipinas, marami. I came from Baguio City, Team Lakay. Kung alam niyo, mga fighter din natin yan. Laking Baguio po ako, si Bern. Ayan. And at this point of time, I would like to read to you a short message. But before anything else, I would like, of course, to greet ang aking magandang kumare, Maring Emma, the mother of Bern Soriano. Palakpakan natin. To my family, dalawa po ang diniplay ko dito na protection agent, bodyguards. Okay? And with this, I have a short message tayo to encourage you to be a best fighter in the octagon. Okay? The maxim of martial arts. The aim requires advancing, meeting, separating, taking down, grappling, and so on. Your eyes see the slightest move. Your ears listen well in all direction. Dapat nakapokus kayo. Mamaya na nandito kayo, ipakita nyo ang best fight nyo. Magkaroon po kayo ng self-confidence. Huwag kayong magkaroon ng daga sa dibdib. Bagkos, ano man yung tinuturo ni Bern, mga instructor nyo, ay gamitin nyo. Apply nyo. Tulad ni Brandon Vera, napakagaling siyang lumaro. Lalo na rin, kay Bern Soriano. Siya po ay lumaban in the history of one championship. Tinalo niya ang Singaporean na kalaban niya in just 14 seconds. 4. Ganon siya kagaling. At talagang nakita ko yan, naglalaro yan. Siya din na nagtitrain ng mga protection agent student ko. Thank you very much, Bern, sa mga support mo sa aming mga estudyante. Tuloy-tuloy lang na nagbibigay ka ng inspirasyon at lalo na mga nagiging estudyante mo na binibigyan mo ng halaga. Naglalaro ang mga estudyante mo at ngayon ipamamalas nila ang pinakamagandang laro nila. Okay? Greetings to all martial arts enthusiasts. Greetings din sa URCC Philippines fans. Today, I want to inspire everyone, fighters, students, and enthusiasts alike, to strive for greatness and continuous improvement as we aim to elevate this martial arts competition today night to an international standard. Encourage the organization to better improve. Para sa ganon, magiging global standard tayo. I'm also an ISO internal auditor. Pwede nating i-ISO ito na team para lumaban. At marami tayo may invite ng mga fighters sa Pilipinas. Okay? Subaybayan natin. And we must do this step not only enhance our credibility, but also demonstrate our commitment to quality, safety, and professionalism on the global standard. Remember, martial arts is not just about physical strength, rather. It embodies discipline, respect, integrity, and perseverance. Let us keep these core values at the heart of everything we do, pushing ourselves to be better every day. To all fighters tonight and martial arts lovers, to all guests of this event, VIPs, politicians, professional businessmen, let's keep the spirit alive, stay disciplined, and continue to inspire others through your journey. Mabuhay si Bert Soriano! Mabuhay ang mga organizer. Binabati ko rin kanina si actor ni Sino. Nandito siya. Nice meeting you, sir. And to all of you, maraming salamat. Let's start the fight!
Woo!